Welcome back to A70 Wintergewitter. We have Allied Player Turn 2 and Wind Change. No wind change, rally phase. So the Soviets want to do a rally here. No good, lose the M. Germans have a rally over here. That is just fine. No repair on the malfunctioned weapon, and we have Soviet prep fire phase. Do we want to shoot something? That is the question. I think not. So, movement phase. This guy will assault move for 1. Then we have this guy. He will go 1, 2. 3. 4, 5. There, the leader loses concealment. We have this guy, assault moving to there. Don't lose concealment because of wind camouflage. We have this guy. Whoops. This guy will go. That's not nice. He will try a assault move to there, or he will do assault move to there on that side of the building. And we have this guy shooting. So it is a 3 down 1. So it's a morale check. He pins, and then he pins there. We have this guy. He will go 1. And I'll try to shoot him with a half squad from there. Line of sight is good. So it's 1, Down 1. Cowering, no effect. I have absolutely no idea why I didn't direct that with the leader. But he continues there for 2. This leader will assault move to there for 3. And this guy will assault move to there for 1. No shots so far. Then we have this tank. Enters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, and 13 stop the layout, checking if somebody sees him along that line. Check with the tank here. Yep, he saw him there. So he's not concealed. Then we have this guy. He will also lose concealment along the way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, stop 15. And we have this guy. Whoops. He will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stop 8. Then we have German defensive fire. This guy will try a shot there. It's good, so it's a 3 flat. No effect. This guy will take a shot to there. And that's an 8 up 1. Nothing. This guy will try a shot to this guy. It is MGs. Coax at least. Line of sight is not good. Change cover arc. Take the shot. Nothing. Soviet sniper. Oh, big sniper for the Soviets. Direction distance. 2, 4, 6 goes to there. Will recall this guy. So more shots. This guy will of course shoot. So it is a 4-up-1 to there. Absolutely nothing. Area target type, same target to hit. Miss. This guy will of course take the 8-up-2 shot to there with the machine guns. Oh ho! 4 on 8 is 2 check. So 2 check for the leader. Leader pins. So then we also take infantry target type, same target. And it's a hit. 12 flat. And the Soviet sniper. 1 check. Passes. So we have Soviet sniper. No. Okay, and also this guy. This guy will turn and take a shot to there. So +3, +5, +6 needs snake eyes. Doesn't get it, but do get an acquisition. Can also take a 8 +5 with the machine guns. And that is enough for a DM. So, advancing fire phase. We have this guy. He will take a shot here. +5 for advancing fire, +6 small target, +7 for the hedge, so hits on the 3. That is a critical hit. So we have 76 is 13 down 1, 12 to kill. Dead, not burning. So crew survival on 5. Nope. And we also have this guy. He will fire at this guy, so +2 for advancing fire phase, +1 small target, hits on 7. And another critical hit. Oh, German sniper. Big sniper, and that was for the last critical hit. Where is the German sniper? Oh, there it is. So 6 on 1 goes to there, goes back to there, breaks this guy. Now we have the second critical hit from the ATR, so it's a 10, 11, 10 to kill. It's a kill. Crew survival. This one is good. So we have a crew coming out there. Unfortunately, no shot at him. So instead, we have another German sniper. No sniper this time. Okay. So, more advancing fire. Not there, not there. We do have this guy. He will fire area target type over here. And he does. But nothing more than that. Area target type, so it should be big, like that. Alright. That is advancing fire. So we are done with that. And we have route. So this guy, he will actually route. He will route back there. Unless I see him there. Yeah, he will route to there. Is he seen there by the tank? He is. So he may not go there, so he has to go there. This guy will run back there. Germans have nothing to route with. And we have Soviet advance. And the tank rifle stays. This guy goes to there. He have to stay. This guy will go into there. And he stays. Okay, so that's it for advances. Close combat, absolutely nothing. Remove pin TI. Flip the stun. And next up is German turn 3. Hope to see you then, and bye for now.